back to the channel. Today, we have an exciting tutorial for you. We're going to learn how to set up a SOCKS5 server on the HTTP Tunnel app. This setup will help you achieve a fast, secure, and stable internet connection. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned until the end to catch every detail of this step-by-step guide. Let's begin by heading to your home screen and opening any web browser of your choice. In the search bar, type UDP Custom and press Enter. From the results, tap on the official UDP Custom website. Once the homepage loads, look for the menu icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Tap it, and from the options that appear, select SOCKS5 Server. This will take you to a new page that displays a list of available SOCKS5 servers. Now, from the list of servers, choose the one you prefer by checking its IP address and port number. Copy both of these details to your clipboard. We'll need them shortly for configuration. Next, open the HTTP Tunnel app on your device. If you don't already have it installed, open your browser again and search for SSH/SSL official website. On the home page, tap the top right menu button, select Free VPN, and look for the HTTP Tunnel app. Download and install it on your device. Once the app is installed, open it. On the home page, tap the plus button at the top right corner to open the menu list. From there, select SOCKS. A new configuration page will open where you can add your details. In the first field, type your preferred server name. Then, paste the IP address and port number you copied earlier from the UDP Custom website. After you've entered all the information, tap Save to store the configuration. Now, return to the main page of the HTTP Tunnel app. Tap the play button to start the connection. Within a few seconds, you'll be connected successfully, giving you a fast and secure browsing experience. And that's it! You've just completed the SOCKS5 setup on the HTTP Tunnel app using the UDP Custom website. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials and VPN setup guides. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.